In this video, I'm going to show you how to get web hosting from one of the most popular web hosting providers on the internet, which is Hostgator. So to access the Hostgator website, you can just go to www.hostgator.com. The first thing you would notice at the Hostgator website is that they have different types of web hosting that you can buy. The first is called shared web hosting. It is the one that you see above here. The second type of hosting is called reseller hosting, and then they also have a VPS hosting or also a dedicated service. Now if you just want to set up a single website, then the option that you should go for is the shared hosting option. So just click on view web hosting plans. On the shared web hosting page, you can see that Hostgator has several plans that you can choose from. So if you just want to set up a single site, then you can go for the most affordable plan, which allows you to host a single domain name only. And this plan at the moment starts at $4.95 a month. Now, one thing that you should notice with almost all web hosting providers out there is that they will always quote you the monthly price, but this monthly price is derived from the total cost per year or per annum. So for example, this here we can see that the 3 years pricing is $4.95 a month. This doesn't mean that you would pay $4.95 a month. This means that if you pay for 3 years upfront, the actual monthly cost is $4.95 per month. Alright, so if you want to know how much you will actually pay if you get 3 years initially, you can just take the $4.95 per month times 36 months. Okay, so you'll notice that the longer you register your web hosting, the cheaper the monthly rate is going to be. So in this example, let's assume that you just want to go directly for the monthly rate. So it will be $8.95 per month. I'm going to select that and click on order now. As with almost every type of web hosting provider out there, you can either register your domain name through that provider, or if you have an existing domain name, you can also use that existing domain name together with your web hosting account. So in this example, I'm going to show you how to do it if you do not have a domain name and you want Hostgator to register a domain name for you. So just type in the domain name that you want to use and click on continue to step 2. In step 2, you'll be asked to confirm your package type, okay, and also the billing cycle. And then if you are a new Hostgator customer, you will be asked to enter your username and a password. And then you'll be required to provide your billing information. So make sure that this billing information is accurate. To make a payment, you can either pay by credit card or by PayPal. Okay, so if you choose to pay by credit card, make sure you enter the exact name as it appears on your credit card, the credit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code. This is usually a 3-digit code that you can find at the back of your credit card or your debit card. And if you need help on that, you can always click on this help link here. Alright, finally, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see exactly what you're getting for this price and for this plan. Okay, and make sure that you have read the terms and conditions of use and click on I have read and agree to the terms and conditions of use. And then if you scroll down some more, you'll be able to see the link that says create account. Okay, so once you have created an account, you should check your email account to see to look out for the confirmation emails that are given by Hostgator.com. And in this confirmation email, you would find some of the very important details for your web hosting account. For example, the cPanel username and password so that you can log into your cPanel account, as well as the DNS settings that are required for the particular hosting account provided by Hostgator. So that's how you get web hosting from hostgator.com.